An electrical box, also known as a junction box, is a small enclosure used to accommodate and protect electrical connections, switches, sockets, and associated wiring. They are most often used to house electrical outlets installed in buildings, panels, and workbenches. A wide variety of electrical boxes exist to meet application specifications and building codes. Different shapes, materials, and functional designs allow installation in many different orientations, locations, and structure types. Made of metal or plastic, electrical boxes can be installed in walls, on panels, on ceilings, in concrete or other masonry, and even outside with the proper ingress protection specifications. Their size and shape are determined by the equipment housed within, from several outlets, a bundle of conduit, or a pair of switches. Individual box covers can be also chosen based on need. Covers are pre-stamped to accommodate different receptacle sizes, number of receptacles, and switches, and many support optional weather covers that use gasket lid combinations to protect connections from environmental hazards. Stay tuned to GalcoTV for more tech tips.